Yes, these are sweatpants. But there's my little son. Okay, sorry. Let me catch my breath. It's part of being pregnant. You lose your breath all the time. It feels like you're always walking up a flight of stairs. I don't get it. Now, real quick, a background story. I was not planning on getting pregnant. I don't know if you're one of those few, but my baby, my beautiful little miracle, is a birth control child. Yes, you can get pregnant on birth control. If you don't want to get pregnant, don't have sex. That's the only way. So anyways, yeah, I get out of breath from talking too. Some women love being pregnant, others not so much. My first trimester, I did not love being pregnant. I got random nosebleeds, which I've never had. You cannot go to the bathroom to save your life. Then you have cramps and you get anxious because you don't know if it's a baby or if it's just because you can't go number 2. It is not morning sickness, it is all day sickness. Clothes will start to not fit anymore. So here are my tips for you moms that are in your first trimester. 1 is to always have a strong support system with you. Being pregnant is a roller coaster of emotions. You will be happy 1 second. You will cry because your pizza order was wrong or because your TV show is 5 minutes delayed. You'll cry when you're in traffic and you get really mad because someone cuts you off. You need someone to kind of pat you on the back, tell you everything's okay, you know, because it's like all rationality was gone for me. Now every pregnancy is different, okay? Disclaimer, every pregnancy is different. So tip number 1, always have a strong support system. Tip number 2, if you get morning sickness like I did, one thing that really helped me was keeping like a bag of like nuts next to my bed, and if you just eat that really quick when you first wake up, it kind of helps you not feel nauseous until you can get your breakfast in. Also your vitamins, eat with your vitamins. I take my vitamins in the morning, but I make sure that I eat them halfway through my breakfast. Tip number 3, nosebleeds. Just if you get them, your body is creating and working together to form this beautiful, beautiful little miracle. And with that, your body goes through a bunch of changes, which is really cool and neat to learn about. But one of them is that your body does create more blood. So since your body's creating more blood, you're gonna get, your gums are gonna bleed and you're gonna get nosebleeds. But that's okay. It's just a part of being pregnant. You do get out of breath, just roll with it. I don't have anything for being out of breath. It just happens when I talk a lot. Number 4, do as many things for you as you can. A happy mommy will create a happy baby. Do not be anxious. Speak against that. Don't research 70 different things when you get one symptom. My biggest and hugest blessing was the nurse that I was seeing at my first doctor. She was great. I could call her with any questions, anything I had, any concerns. If she didn't answer, then I'd call my mom. My mom has had 6 children, so she's very experienced. And between the nurse and my mom, those are the only opinions I needed. Because anything else that you read is just going to make you anxious and nervous, and that's not really good for you or the baby. Number 5, right? 5? I hope so. Anyways, whenever your clothes start to not fit, remember, your body is creating a beautiful, beautiful miracle. You are about to start a whole new chapter in your life, and your clothes are not going to fit. They're not supposed to. That doesn't mean that you can't still continue to eat healthy and work out, which I did not do in my first trimester. I'm not gonna lie. Working out was not for me, but I'm getting back into it slowly but surely. In your second trimester, you start to feel a little bit better. Oh yeah, I'm 16 weeks. Did I tell you that? Probably not. You do forget things, that's okay. So your first trimester is a whole new level of you. You are gonna experience things you never thought you would. If you haven't farted in front of your boyfriend or husband yet, honey, you're going to, because when you gotta go and you're constipated, you just gotta let it go. But you know what? He still loves me through it. We laugh about it. I will actually do a video about depression and anxiety because I suffer from both of those. in another video that you can watch if you'd like about being pregnant and having depression. And so those are my quick go-to things that definitely will help you, and they help me. And yeah, feel free to follow, subscribe, ask me questions, what videos you'd like to see, because I will be doing these throughout my pregnancy. So baby and I say goodbye.